I'm Jaspreet, the founder of the drone data science company WeDoSky. Our journey started back in 2014 when I was still a drone hobbyist and I was looking for avenues to bring this technology to India. Over the last few years, we've flourished into a company that works with large industries in the solar sector, mining sector and in the insurance sector. Our partners are Tata, Adani, ACC, most of the larger companies which you would think would be using drone solutions. Along with that, we've been working with the government, helping them better analyze properties on the ground and bring value to the citizens of the country. When founders and founding teams across the world hear this one piece of advice every day, I feel it is still a very, very critical and simple advice to pay heed to. It goes like focus on focus, which basically means that prioritize on daily basis and do what's needed to exist in the first place. So being a bootstrap company, your challenge starts from, as I mentioned, finding a great product, finding a great team, getting the money in place to actually pay for the bills every month. So doing all of this takes a toll on what's needed to be done on daily basis. It's very easy to get lost. It's very easy to be attracted to 100 different opportunities that exist in your domain. But focusing on focusing eliminates every such problem that comes from not focusing. So this way, you on daily basis are aligned towards making sure that your few very limited clients are happy with what you are offering to them, and those clients are paying for those services. So that way you can manage the initial cash flow. Of course, this varies from industry to industry. The good thing about our industry, the drone industry, is that we could support our product development while offering services using drones. So finding an alternative revenue stream that aligns with the longer vision of the company is a great way to initially fund the organization. For example, while we were sure about the fact that we would like to build a data science engine that converts drone images into business reports for our clients, we knew that it was an expensive investment and it was a longer investment in the first place, which basically means that we start product development today. It will probably take us 18 to 36 months for it to actually become profitable and to get us significant revenues. So what we did was we started an alternative arm to the larger business wherein we were doing services for different companies. So while these companies are being open to adapting our software every day, they're also paying us for the services that we're providing to them, which basically means that instead of them doing the data processing on their own using our engine, we are doing the data processing for them using our engine. So it basically leads to a win-win wherein they are paying us for the services and they are getting a taste of our software. So a great tip for all budding entrepreneurs who are bootstrapped, and bootstrap is a great place to be in because you learn about the business, you fine-tune every day, because the pressure of paying bills every day is a great pressure to be in. Why? Because it makes sure that you are aligned and you are actually doing things that matter. So great tip for entrepreneurs who are just starting out and are new to the industry and are setting up a new business is again to find alternative revenue streams. And revenue streams that align with the longer vision of the organization. And again, focus on focus.